Renewable Energy Research Log 202, Junior Solar Sprints.
Hi, my name is Reina Fontaine.
And my name is Siana Muppidi.
And we're here to talk about our solar-powered car.
I'll start by explaining solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable energy source that derives its energy from sunlight, specifically photons in the sun's rays. When these photons hit the solar panel, the photovoltaic cells in the solar panel turn this DC, direct current, into mechanical electricity, which can either be used right then and there or stored in a battery for later use. Solar energy is also renewable energy, which means that it is naturally produced and that the resource is never ending. Solar power is also a potential way for a no carbon emission future, meaning that we stop using fossil fuels and instead we use renewable energy like solar energy. This can save our planet too, because we aren't depleting natural resources and aren't harming the environment.
To test our solar cars, we did 2 experiments.
Testing how the angle of the solar panel and the time of day affect the car, and how gear ratio affects the speed of the car.
After a few tests, we figured out that when solar panels are facing upwards when the sun is right above, most energy is generated and slowed as we turn it away from the sun. The amount of energy generated decreases.
We also figured out that earlier in the day, you should angle the solar panel east. Around 12, it should be facing upwards, and after 12, it should be facing west for the best possible energy production.
At our second test is gear ratio.
When we tested the gears, we tested the ratios 4.10, 3.42, and 3.08, and we found that the lower the number of the ratio, the faster the car goes. When designing the car, we tried different models, but we ended up doing a train because it could hold a load, protect the motor inside, and also be sturdy against stronger winds.
A quick explanation on how the car works. The motor is connected to the alligator clips of the solar panel. When the sun hits the solar panel and it generates electricity, the electricity is sent to the motor using alligator clips, and the motor spins, which makes the gears on the motor spin. Then the rotation begins meshing with the gears at the axle, which causes the wheels to rotate, propel the car forward. For our car, we use cardboard as the primary material, as we use for everything except the wheels. For the wheels, we use modern dowels, old toy car tires, straw, and tape.
After JSS, the car can be recycled without having to remove anything since everything is recyclable. Or materials can be taken off the train and be used for something else like other projects. All materials have been used with recyclability and planet safety in mind.
Thank you for listening.